All right, let's go ahead. We're on Q41, looking at Wednesday's homework. We have the total area of this awkward, irregular shape. So we need to cut it into two separate pieces or simpler shapes. You can cut it anywhere, but you want to turn it into two simpler shapes. See how I made these two rectangles? Another thing you could have done is gone across this way. Now I've broken that into two simpler shapes. So the area of the rectangle, or the formula, is length times width, or base times height. So 7 times 11 is 77. You can use your hand, too, to sometimes see the simpler shape, isolate it. The tricky part is to not use that 9. Because the 9 includes this little piece here. But if you use your hand, we don't want that little piece. So that's why you want to use the 7. So that's pretty much kind of the trick here. And then what do we got? We have 8 by 2 is 16. And then you're going to have to add the area of those two shapes. 7 times 6, 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 1, 93. Is the area. Okay, so that is the area of an irregular shape. You want to break it into two simpler regular shapes. Okay, fractions where the denominator is the same. So if you're going to go to a party and there's 4 people at both of the party and you're trying to split a pizza, okay, both the pizzas are the exact same size. Are you going to want to go to the party with 3 slices? Or are you going to want to go to the party where you get 2? Remember, there's the same amount of people at each party. So that means the slices, the cuts, the pieces are going to be exactly the same size. So if the sizes are the same and the pieces are the same, you're going to want to go to the one where you get 3 slices. Where it can get kind of tricky is if the bottom number is different. Let's do this. Let's make the top number the same, but the bottom number different. Okay, so now continuing with our party example, if I'm going to go to a party, remember I'm super hungry, there's 7 people at this party, there's 8 people at this party, you're getting the same amount of slices no matter which party you go to. If you go to the party with 7 people, the slices are going to be bigger because you're not sharing with as many people. So 4/7 is bigger than 4/8. So that's what it kind of looks like if you're comparing a fraction with unlike denominators, but the numerators are the same.